Hey, I have a big announcement. No, something bigger. No, something bigger. I said bigger! I told you it was a big news! I'm launching something brand new. It's called the Workshop Deck. 52 cards to design better workshops in less time. And to celebrate, I'm hosting a free live event on October 23rd, and you are invited! Hey, if we haven't met, my name is Mehdi. I'm a workshop facilitator and the creator of this deck. Over the past 5 years, I've run hundreds of workshops, helping teams solve complex problems, generate better ideas, and make decisions faster. I've also been teaching hundreds of people to design better sessions. And you know what? No matter who I spoke to, I kept hearing the same struggles. I don't know where to start when I design a workshop. I don't know which activities to pick. I don't know if it will actually work. And I get that because I used to have the same concerns. So I took everything I've learned, my proven frameworks, my go-to activities, my step-by-step process I use and teach people to design better sessions, and I turned it into a product that anyone can use. The Workshop Deck. A super simple tool to use that will help you structure your session and pick the right activities to cover your needs. If you want to know more, join me to the live event because I'm going to share with you the exact process I've been using to design workshops that actually work and keep clients coming back. Everyone who joins live will get a special gift. I can't tell you what it is yet, but it's something usually I sell for $299. And I will also share with you the special project I've been working on behind the scenes. If you're a facilitator, a consultant, a leader, I believe this could change the way you design a workshop. Click the button below to grab your spot, and we see each other on October 23rd.